The large field in Tân Phước area, Tân Hưng Ward, Thốt Nốt district, has 148 hectares of paddy field and 5 hectares of fruit trees. By implementing the Sustainable Agriculture Transformation Project, also known as the VNSAT project, farmers in this area can apply sustainable farming practices and establish connections with businesses and cooperatives throughout the value chain, from production to consumption, increasing their income by roughly 30%. Additionally, by using less irrigation water and less fertilizer and pesticide during rice growing, the project's implementation helps to lessen its detrimental effects on the environment. From this foundation, in 2022, with the support of the Department of Crop Production, Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, the International Rice Research Institute IRRI, and the City Department of Crop Production and Plant Protection, people here begin to apply the mechanization of straw organic fertilizer production. The experts provide thorough guidance on all steps involved in producing organic fertilizer, including setting up the compost bin, sourcing materials, mixing the compost bin with a machine for the first time, establishing a decomposition environment, ventilating and cooling the process, and producing finished organic fertilizer. To assist people in learning how to cultivate their sources of microorganisms, decompose straw and agricultural byproducts, and apply it to the process of composting organic fertilizer from straw, functional units also arrange for farmers to learn how to breed microbial biomass. The goal is to help bring down the cost of making organic fertilizer so that people can produce and use it with confidence in their fields. With the help of pertinent units, farmers in this area have pioneered the implementation of the rice production demonstration model using the 1-muss fire reduction technique and using organic fertilizer from straw, encouraging an increasing number of farmers to accept its practice for crop production. 3 rice crops are used to organize and apply the model. Each model is 1 hectare in size and is fertilized with 1,000 kilograms of organic fertilizer made from straw. The results in the fields using organic fertilizer from straws growth indicators were superior to those of the control field. The pH of the soil was raised and fewer pesticide spraying sessions were required. Compared to the control field, the yield of the model field was 300 kg per hectare greater. Organic fertilizer from straw is also used by farmers here for fruit trees, fields, and flowers. All produce excellent outcomes. Utilizing agricultural waste and byproducts to create organic fertilizer not only helps to improve field cleanliness, creating more jobs and farmers' income from 9 to 11 million Vietnam dong per hectare, but it also gives the soil access to organic fertilizer. The group has evolved into a cooperative due to the work's practical efficiency. The scale of production has increased 4 times over the previous level. The process of applying mechanization in straw management towards reducing greenhouse gas emission and circular agriculture is recognized by the Department of Crop Production, Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development as technical advance in the field of agriculture. The cooperative currently produces 30 tons of organic fertilizer every 45 days, supporting farmers' agricultural production both inside and outside the city. In particular, the cooperative is implementing the procedure of producing straw mushrooms, which brings great economic efficiency and extends the production chain, improving farmers' income. Specifically, the indoor mushroom growing model offers numerous benefits, including the ability to control the number of mushrooms cultivated, reduce production area requirements, and enable year-round growth. The substrate is composted to create organic fertilizer for plants after the mushrooms are harvested. The success of this circular agriculture model is known both locally and internationally. New Green Farm Cooperative is honored to have welcomed many distinguished delegations, such as the World Bank, International Rice Research Institute, U.S. Department of Agriculture, Philippine Department of Agriculture.
Sản xuất giảm phát thải trồng lúa theo quy trình 1,5 giảm và thực hiện luôn cái kinh tế tuần hoàn
New Green Farm cooperative's implementation of a circular economy and the one must fry reductions procedure in rice production is highly effective. This is a model that communities can use to partake in the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development's 1 million hectares of high-quality, low-emission rice project. We believe that this model may grow and thrive in the Mekong Delta in the present production trend with the help of the Ministry of Agriculture and the hard work of farmers through cooperatives.
Có thể mở rộng phát triển ở đồng bằng sông Cửu Long trong cái xu thế hiện nay.
Along with rice cultivation reducing emissions, this model contributes to limiting the burying of straw and burning fields after harvest, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, in line with the 1 million hectares of high-quality, low-emission rice linked with green growth project in the Mekong Delta region.